New York had TNT. TNT was Technical Narcotics Team. And so TNT could come through in a van and jump out on the corner and just lock everybody up. If they found one vial of crack, everybody pretty much got that charge, and everybody probably literally did time for it. And so it was that kind of system. So you're arrested, right? You're taken into a precinct. You can be in there. Again, the process could be 3 or 4 days. You're in the bullpen. You receive this attorney who comes and talks to you in the gate with a stack of folders. You know, like a lot of times how they mimic on TV, you see they come with a stack of files and folders and they're flipping through your files and they ask you what happened. And of course you say you're not guilty or this happened or what have you. They say, we're gonna try to get you bail or get it postponed or get you ROR. You go before the judge is asking, they sound off a couple of numbers around the case, you're brought out, you haven't washed in 4 days, you're visibly disheveled, and so your appearance is absolutely not pleasing, and everyone is pretty much talking around you, and you're there possibly whispering in your attorney's ear to have them say a thing, or if things seems like they're not going your way because the prosecutor is saying no bail or a high bail or remand or, keep you. And so that process happens. And so if you're remanded, which is they detain you and now you're off to Rikers Island, and you can be in Rikers Island either until you make bail or to your next court date. And so that is just the system, right? And so in that process, your attorney is either trying to fight for you, and fight could look a few ways. And so fighting could mean that the attorney is looking to have you beat the charges and not, have this, crime on your record, or the attorney could be present only to have you take what is called a plea agreement, meaning you will plead guilty. And in that plea of guilt, you may receive time, you may receive probation, you may receive community service. It's a gambit of things that you can receive. But ultimately, at the end, you will have a criminal record for life. Prosecutors' only interest is conviction. That is the interest. The interest is not in the name of justice, it's in the name of conviction, no matter what that conviction is.